We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
The KitchenAid Flex Edge Beater helps you get the most out of your stand mixer, while it gets the most out of your bowl by scraping the sides as it mixes, so you don't have to. This KitchenAid approved beater mixes ingredients quickly and is designed for many uses with its coated metal surface. And cleanup is easy, so you can enjoy your creation. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
At OXO, we're always looking for ways to make kitchen cleanup even easier, and our Peg dish rack is a stylish solution for easy dish drying. The rack features a wide drying area supported by stainless steel wire for larger items, and flexible pegs to accommodate plates, glasses, and odd-shaped items. The raised ribs of the tray keep dishes from any water accumulation on the bottom, and the drain slots remove excess water quickly. Non-slip feet on the bottom keep the dish rack stable on the countertop, while convenient handles allow for easy transport. Our unique drain tray snaps in place snugly under the dish rack, keeping your countertop clear, and can be oriented in 3 different directions to best suit your kitchen. The rack's removable utensil cup allows for quick utensil transport and unloading into drawers.
Want to enjoy crispy French fries without the guilt? Introducing the new Smart Oven Air by Breville, with super convection that generates extreme air circulation for fast and crispy food. Now you can enjoy crispy, healthier, air-fried family favourites without the excess oil. Low and stable heat for healthy, dehydrated snacks. And larger capacity to roast a perfectly browned, succulent 14-pound turkey. Dedicated slow cook setting for flavourful and tender meats. Perfectly crisp deep dish pizza with oozing cheese. The smart oven that toasts more evenly. Crisp and chewy mouth-watering cookies. 12 quick and easy super moist muffins. Golden crust and delicious deep dish pies. And creates the ideal conditions for proofing dough. The Smart Oven range by Breville.